Is your HP docking station G5 not charging your laptop via USB-C PD? This video will guide you through troubleshooting. The primary causes are often firmware bugs or hardware defects, particularly in units made between 2020 and 2020. We will cover the key steps to identify and resolve these issues effectively, focusing on solutions available as of December 2025. Before diving into hardware, ensure your dock's firmware is up to date. HP released firmware version 1.23.4 in late 2024 to fix USB-C PD compatibility issues. This update has significantly reduced charging failures and should be your first step. Download and install this update via HP Support Assistant or directly from HP's website. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and powered during the update. When troubleshooting charging issues with your HP G5 docking station, start by checking the USB-C connections and cables. First, visually inspect your USB-C cable and ports for any signs of physical damage, such as frayed wires, bent connectors, or corrosion. Ensure you are using a USB-C cable specifically rated for 100 watts power delivery. Lower-rated cables may not support the required power levels. Try connecting with a different USB-C cable that you know supports power delivery to rule out cable-specific issues. Finally, unplug and reseat the USB-C cable at both the docking station and laptop ends, ensuring a secure connection. Loose connections are a common cause of charging problems. Checking your USB-C connections and cables thoroughly can often resolve charging issues quickly, saving you time and frustration. A simple yet effective fix is to power cycle the docking station. Disconnect the power adapter from the dock. Wait 30 seconds to reset the PD handshake. Reconnect the power adapter. Allow the dock a few moments to initialize before connecting your laptop. This can resolve temporary communication glitches. If firmware updates and connection checks don't resolve the charging issue, the problem may be a hardware defect. Common hardware failures in HP G5 docking stations include degradation of the internal power supply capacitor or the USB-C controller chip over time. The internal power supply capacitor, which stores and regulates electrical charge, can wear out, leading to unstable power delivery. This is a common issue in older hardware. Similarly, the USB-C controller chip, responsible for power delivery negotiation, can degrade, causing charging failures. If your docking station was manufactured between 2020 and 2022, it may be eligible for HP's voluntary recall program. Visit HP's website to check eligibility and arrange for repair or replacement. Hardware defects typically require professional repair or replacement through HP's support services. As a temporary workaround for HP G5 docking station charging issues, you can bypass the dock's internal power delivery circuit by using an external USB-C PD charger rated at 65 watts or higher, connected directly to your laptop. This allows charging without relying on the potentially faulty dock circuitry. Here are examples of external chargers you can use: a 65-watt wall charger with USB-C ports, or a portable power bank that supports PD. However, HP does not officially endorse this method due to potential overvoltage risks that could damage your device. Always use only certified chargers from reputable brands to minimize these risks. USB-C power delivery relies on specific pins in the connector for negotiating power levels safely. Using uncertified accessories can bypass these safety mechanisms. If you suspect a hardware issue and your dock is under warranty or part of HP's recall program, contact HP for professional repair or replacement. HP's voluntary recall covers units manufactured between 2020 and 2022, offering free replacements or repairs. Attempting DIY repairs, like replacing the PD controller, voids your warranty and can be dangerous due to electrical and safety risks. Certified repair services ensure safe and effective repairs while maintaining warranty coverage. Looking ahead, docking stations are evolving with features like GaN technology for better efficiency and AI-driven PD negotiation for optimized power delivery. HP plans to integrate self-healing firmware in future models, but for older G5 units, keeping firmware updated remains crucial. With increased adoption of USB-C, user education on cable quality and proper troubleshooting will be important for future generations.